This is Troy, and today I will be cooking pumpkin soup. Yes, so we're gonna make yellow soup. See step-by-step instruction and information how to cook and create Jamaican yellow chicken pumpkin soup. Very tasty. Soup, pumpkin soup. Pumpkin soup consists of pumpkin, carrots, yam. This is yellow yam, right?
Yeah.
Yellow yam, Irish, chow. Yeah, so this is some of the ingredients. These are the vegetable and ground provision that will be used in my soup. So these things, you have to peel them. So I will start with pumpkin. At first, you take out the seed and the inside part of the pumpkin. You don't need this. Put it away. You can peel the pumpkin, or we can use it with the skin and peel it. Then we have the carrot. You can scrape the carrot, I will scrape the carrot. You want? Yeah. Irish. Everyone know Irish, but everyone don't know pumpkin. Chow. So all these things we use in the soup. That's why I go and come and see it. That's why I do it. Just teach me this way. And this chota is liquid, but still can do the flavor. Yellow yam. Yellow yams. So because this yam was cut already, the piece is dry, so don't need to. So these pieces we don't need. So we're gonna peel our yam. So now that we peel our vegetable and this pumpkin is about 1 pumpkin. Hold off a pumpkin. Yellow yam. Do the trick, wash them, then cut them in small pieces, wash them first. Small little cook them. Excuse me, we didn't skin off this one. Carrots. Yeah, so these are my chicken foots. So this is 5, about 10 chicken foots. I'm using chicken back. You can use chicken, same flavor. So the soup one is just bones, a little meat, and it gives you a soup, a nice flavor, good flavor. water in the pot, put on stove to boil. So now that our pot with water is come to a boil, it's now time to add our vegetable and meat to this pot. So we will add our carrots, our pumpkin, we add our Irish potato, we add our chow. We'll be also adding our soup bone, our chicken feet, and our chicken. All the other rest of ingredients will add to this pot at a later time. These ingredients what we are adding now take more time to cook. So we need them to cook first, then we add the additional thing. That's just the reason why. So now we will add the meat. So this is the chicken foot, the soup bone, and the chicken. So I will be leaving a link below with all these ingredients in a PDF file format, so you can download this link and follow the instruction as well, because after you watch the video, sometime when you're cooking you just want, it's more watch time for me, but I know if you have a download a file and print it, it's easier for you to maneuver and monitor your cooking. So just see the link below. If you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more video like this. So now our vegetable and meat is come to a cook. So now we'll add our yam. So we add in the yellow yam, and we will also add our flour dumpling. These are easier to cook, so it takes less cooking time, so we put them in at a later point. So now you see the soup is looking like it's have the yellow color, but the soup have no flavor, no flavor whatsoever. So we are adding the additional stuff to our soup. So we add our yellow yam, we add our flour dumpling, and we will season the soup as well. So we'll be adding like scallion, thyme, pimento seed, and all the rest of things to flavor the soup. You will see them as I put them. So we always stir it to make sure nothing stuck in the pot. So this is our soup mix. You have different brand and flavor soup mix, but some soup mix taste better than some. So this is one of them that tastes good. So you can use a soup mix of your choice. This is the one I'm using. I'm sure about the flavor of this one. So I add 2 packs of Grace cock soup mix. It is optional, you can use a brand of your choice, but this what I use. So I add my 2 peppers. Now I add a couple pieces of thyme, 3 to 4 stalks of scallion, so this is flavor in the soup. So it looked like soup, but if you taste it, it didn't sip it, no taste. So this is where the flavor going in the soup. Alright, soup is on the way. These are my pimento seed. As I always say, if you're having problem getting some of these herbs and spice, you can check my website, Rhoden Webstore. That's my website, and you get a lot of anything Jamaican. So if you want any herbs or spice on Jamaica, you can check www.RhodenWebstore.com. Get all herbs and spice you need. So this is the tricky part of it. It all depends on how some people use salt. So the noodle kind of have some flavor and a little salt, so it all depends on how you use salt. But for me, this still is fresh, so you don't have the right flavor. So I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. Remember, I use like a gallon, 4 quarts of water, the same thing, to cook the soup, so that 2 noodle could not flavor it. So you cover down your soup and leave it to come to a cook. I continue stirring, yeah, because I don't want anything to stuck and ruin the soup. So I stir, and you can taste as I go along, and just taste the flavor getting better and better and better. So this is my soup come to a final cook. So I will now remove the unwanted things from my soup. So like the scallions and the thyme, I just use a fork or whatever you have. Make it easy for you and remove them from the soup. Remember, you gotta drink this soup. So this soup, so these scallion and thyme can become a very annoying with the soup. If you like it and you can eat it, well, fine for you. I also moved the pepper from the soup. If you notice, I did not cut the pepper. I put the whole pepper in the soup. If you cut the pepper and put it in the soup, for some people you gotta ruin the soup. The soup, kids can drink it because I don't cut the pepper. If you cut the pepper, it becomes too hot, and kids or people who don't use pepper won't be able to drink it. This is what I'm doing now. I'm extracting the pimento seed. This is the next thing can annoy in the soup. I'm using a clean strainer. Remember, you don't want to contaminate your soup, so everything must clean. It's a liquid meal. Everything must clean. You don't just take up a dirty strainer and dip it in the soup. You don't do that. So a clean strainer, and you timely remove all the unwanted things from your soup. However, you don't have to do this. Some people, like for me, if I get the soup with the pimento and thing, it don't be a problem to me. But most people who are not a fan of soup or even never drink soup before, you don't want to give them this soup. This is the sharing of my soup. So you see, I just use a bowl and just stack up something. You could share it, just put like one pieces, but I'm just trying to save time. So I just scoop up a portion of thing and put it in the thing. What I'm doing here, I'm just setting this to make it look presentable. You know, people eat with their eyes, so you have to set the thing make it look pretty. You don't just throw some soup into the plate and it look sloppy. No, you don't do that. But for quick sharing purpose, I just, so see, I set it properly. Now I add the liquid. This soup is so good. You have to make this soup, or if you cannot make it and don't want to make it, when someone make it, get some of this soup. Sorry, it's very tasty and delicious, and it's a liquid meal, so it's very nutritious. All the vegetables and everything make it good. So just make your soup, share with family and friends. And as I always say, if you think this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. That's all for now. So see you in my next video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you all for watching.